Alright guys, we're back once again working on the atomic train. Now, the next problem we have it, seen the last video, we got it running, we got the sparker working. So, now, what it needs is a track. As I told you, the track that came with it is the original track. I got it wrapped up here now. I had it laid out. I put it together about 6 different times, I swear. Mounted it every which way I could to the table, and it's so warped, it's so bent. It's just, well, I gotta say it's useless. It's missing a lot of the spacers, and I tried to compensate for that, but I could not get it right. So, moving on to a crazy idea I have of making my own track. Here we go. Alright guys, so here's my crazy idea. Okay, I know for a fact from experience that any wind-up toy, if you put it in a circle like this, it will hug the outer wall. Hug the outer wall. Gravity is going to make it lean this way. It's going to hug the outer wall. I'm going to demonstrate it shortly, but that, I'm telling you right now, I know for a fact it works. So, I'm actually going to use, believe it or not, an old garden tractor belt. A belt from a garden tractor, and I'm going to make it 3 feet in diameter, which is actually bigger. The original one was only 24 inches. So this would be between 30 and 36 inches. I'm going to make it too big because then it won't go around enough. I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you, and we'll see if it works. Okay guys, here's the track. Okay, as I said, garden tractor belt, and it's making about a 30-inch diameter, 30, 31, 32. It's one-piece belt. Okay, and I screwed it into the board. Okay, again, this is just a prototype. See if she works. I'm going to show you these 2 toy cars at a wind-up. Like I said, they will go around, just like I hope the train will, hugging the side rail. Alright guys, so I got these 2 antique wind-ups, okay? Pretty cool looking little vehicles, and I'm going to use them as a demonstration of what I said to you, that wind-ups will hug the side wall. Alright guys, here's my first test track. Okay, as I told you, I used the garden tractor belt. I got one that was perfect in diameter. It's approximately 31 inches. Okay, again, the original track was only 24 inches. So, this is the first test. Hopefully this is going to work. I believe it will. Okay. Train is wound up, ready to go. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I'd say that was pretty dang good. Huh? Alright, so we got ourselves a track using gravity to hold it against that wall, it will go round and round, and as you've seen in the other clip, any wind-up toy like this will work this way. We'll hug the wall and go. Let's give it one more spin around, just for the heck of it.